Hello, 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 hello. Linjani ihlobo zami lapha likhona lesi sikhathi kuzana zonke zomhlaba. Salibingelela lapha nase sikhona ke igama ngeze chiza hamba lo machelela umfana ochelelayo ke jakala konyoni ke uKlein Law. Siyabonga ke ngokubhala izincwadi sibuya lapha namhlanje kungolesihlanu sithi welcome on board, welcome. Ungisakhumbula imqala siziba namhlanje sithanda ukuthanda ukubonga ke abe Harris Hotels ngaloko abasenzela khona. Harris Hotels uBulawayo ikhona phana duzane Rainbow, ikhona ke North End, zikhona ke suburbs, zikhona ke Khumalo, zikhona ke Hillside. Yoma lodges and hotels by Harris. Thank you very much for supporting this show. Ungayisibo laba ka idatha ayisisicharge these days kuyadula eZimbabwe basithengela ke idatha libasize. Thank you ever so much. Siyabonga. Right, Precious Nkomazana unjani pray ngiyakubingelela ke namhlanje. Precious shisa ngithiwe ngabazali bami ngine 2 years. Kubikwa ke ubaba wayevele ke egulile umama eselesisu wafa kwaze ukuthi umama ke wasesifa ke uMancube waba lo mkhuhlane wecancer esanda kungibeletha kodwa kwaphambanisa vele ngizalwa wahle wagula wangichiya ngine 2 years ngagcina ke ngugogo. Ugogo bengumuntu ohawulayo selusa ke imbuzi zakhe ezimbili lamadonka amathathu engela nkomo. Ngifunda mina eLupane ngathola nzima ke impilo inzima ugogo wami. Ugogo wangiphandela engizamela ngazo zonke isikhathi athi ke ube kwazi ukuthi ke uyintandane ngakho ke zama ukuthi ke uzikhangele umntanami. Yebo kambe kokulo malume wayejala ukubuya. Umalume lo ngathi ngu-grade 6 nguye wayengibhinya wangibamba. Indaba yangikhona ngazi abadala bayikhuluma athini. Umalume wasuka ke esigabeni waya koBulawayo. Ngafunda nginjalo ngaqina ke umsakazi ngaze ngaphelela kubo form 1 lapho gogo wayesithi kasakhona ukwenza imali. Kubuya kwami ngizodinga umsebenzi koBulawayo ukusebenza ezindlini. Hayi ngasebenza ezindlini kwenye baba babelungile kakhulu ababa bakoDube lo Mrs Dube ngasebenza endaweni okuthiwa kuse Parklands. Ngasebenza khona phana ngazama ukuthi ngihambe kubona e-school kodwa kwakunzima ngoba imali engangiyihola ingenele ukubhadala i-school fees. Kwaze ukuthi komunye umama wasentshela ukuthi hayi ubothi wena ama weekend siyezama utshintsha imali. Into eyenzekala lapha saqalisa ke ukutshintsha imali ngangafuni khona umuntu othiwa indoda phansi kwami. Hayi ngakhula umsakazi ngacha 22 years ngingafuni le jaha. Kwathi kunjalo ke hayi ngavulela inhlanhla ngaqasa utshintsha imali. Ngayenza imali ngicabanga amazwi kagogo. Gogo wacela sengichile. So mina bengaselabani kulo malume nalo wangibhinya engafunda kumbona namhlanje ngazi umbuya phila kumbe swashona. So ngasebenza ngitshintsha imali chisa. Okwamanje I'm proud of myself. Do you know I bought a house, 3 houses from lapha ngisebenza khona as a domestic worker eParklands. Ngisihlalele kathesi ke abantu besilisa kahamba bafuni phansi kwami. Abanye bangisola ukuthi hayi isikhathi siyangichiya. I'm 34 but I think I'm content with what I am. Yimi uPrecious Nkomazana. Ngizama ukutshela ukuthi you can live without a man. Kwamanje isikhathi singafika ngizizwe lami sengumfuna umuntu wesilisa ngizakhomba kwathi esingihlalele mina uManko yimi ke odumileyo uChange Money omkhulu koBulawayo. Siyabonga Manko istory sakho ke simnandi ke lesi ukuthi ngitshele ingoma lana athi thuma mina khumbula abazali bami ndilalani ngokuthula. Mr and Mrs Nkomazana, I'm making you proud. Ngiyabonga. Precious Nkomazana.
I wanna be there when the people win the battle against AIDS. I wanna lend a hand. I wanna be there for the alcoholic. I wanna be there for the drug addict. I wanna be there for victims of violence and abuse. I wanna lend a hand. Serve. To Mamina,
you Masekela Tuma mina siyichelela Precious Mankonkomazana uthuza khili izindlu ngileziningi njalo uyaziqhenya eParklands yazilandisa eMontrose eGwabalanda eBenside senga-investor hayi siyakubongela Manko siyabonga kakhulu uziphatha kwakho wazinceda mama omunye umuntu ozazilahla uthi ubunzima okwafike lo mcabanga ukuthi uthengisa umzimba kodwa wala ngoba ukwazi ukuthi umama wakho ayengakufuna ukuchapha right ayakhuluma ke nto yakhuluma uklani ukuthi ngcono ayitshintshi imali hayi hambe tshintshi imali klani ungayenza change money bale mali can you imagine ke change money yabona inkulumo ya these days ethi line lalithi siyakopa eklasini sichaya singotanda head siliyachale zama degree lingaphi khulumani phela kathesi siyaliholisa thina change money singafika ngo grade 7 hayi life yangikhona hayi qiniso lihle bala imali bantu enkulu ngiyabo Bongo Chooks ngiyabingelela Kolide Bongo tingubize Bongo yebe ngisebenza lapha ku Secret FM eSouth Africa msazi besithatha ke imali ema supermarket silinda izimali hamba nge transit mina ngosithi transit van ukuthi yela yathwala imali kwenzakala ke ngomnyaka ka 2014 hayi baba zakhala savinjelwa imota yabafana ba spray amabullet omhlaba wadutshulwa yonke indawo saqina siphumile lapha kuveni mina bandubula ke unyawo undoda engahamba la driver ke bahle bamchaya ikhanda ufela khona lami ngangizenza ke ngifileyo babuya bathatha ke imali yayithwele lapha sisuka ke Shoprite sisiye bank yayimali eningi sasitshela ukuthi wasithwele emalini kodwa ngiteze ngibona emaphepha ngithoka kuyimali engange 3.2 million so bayithatha leyo mali yabafana umsakazi ngacela ngirecover ukuthi ngibele ke emsebenzini sahlutshwa kakhulu sibuza ukuthi ngabe yimi esiarrange lezi zinto sengihlutshwa ukuthi kuthiwa why mina ngafanga uNkulunkulu wami bayenza ke investigation bathoda hayi angazi ukuthi sebebanjela abantu asange baniqamba umqamba ngoba ngangabazi ngimaqinisa ngabuyela ke emsebenzini ngacina mina sengisuka eku transporteni imali ngacina sengisecurity ke olinda kwenye ke ibhanga uthe kwenilanga ngopana ku ATM kwabuya ngabafana angizake ngichaye kanje msakazi bachaya bangilimaza abafana bantshete daca babhombi iATM liyana bathatha imali bahamba ngitheze ngiphumile esibhedlela ngahle ngathi ngikhafulele phansi angisaphinda msakazi lezinyalo okwamanje ke iqolo lami kahle lasebenzi kahle kangenzi lutho ngiyabonga ke uyangibekezelela ke uMadube inkosikazi uyakwazi ke umkhuhlane ngilawo umuntu ondithandayo ngithanda ukuthi umbulise echisa uTryfee wakodube intombi ke engelanda ukuthi mina angisengiyobaba baba ngibaba kancane ngiyabonga kakhulu Bongo Chooks hayi egoli lapha ke into zama security kumele ubone ukuthi kunzima hayi mama siyabonga Traffic Dube kubana ke uba uya asolwano ohluphayo nezokuthi ke baba kasike sigenquke wena ke uyakwazi mhla ivumile ubaba ke ophakama ubaba yiko ukuthi uyavuma la ukuthi hayi chaya baba kodwa ke nxa amhlupha ukuthi suyifuna zonke hayi wathola umama olunge kakhulu ke abanye abantu abazobafunda ukuthi ilanga lilodwa lidlule kungazange kudlala ke igame yangikhona kube ngamaphasi phezulu uthe ngicela ke ingoma umchallenge liyana enye ke engamdabulisa ukubana ke ibhrugwe lami lidabukile nase Cool Crooners ibhrugwe lami lidabukile ibhurugu lami ligcwele izigamba ikhulukhuluna sitsha like bongo chuks kwalite ke obesebenza ke security South Africa. Ngisakhumbula thank you very much ukubhala kwenu incwadi zenu bathandekayo ezindala zonke zomhlaba lezo ngalesikhathi. Siyabonga sihle Ndlovu, ngiyabingelela mandlo njani sisabe sihlala ke lwanga wami uNdumiso ke ebesebenza ke lapha dran le Hope Fountain, so bengihlala la khona ke boys khaya. uNdumiso ube umuntu ozinathelayo ukuthi wafayini ebe umuntu ozinathelayo. uNdumiso wasecina ke ekhonjwa ngumama wa next door, umfazi womnye ubaba wayekhanile imali zakhe. So into lengayibamba ngayidiscover sengitshela ukuthi kumele ngibekezele ngoba labe sisebenza khona imali encane, lo mama engalala la uyamnika imali. Zokwa kubuhlungu kimi ngizama ukukhulumisana naye kodwa kubuhlungu ngoba kodwa aqine buyele grocery le mali. Ngacina ngani lami ngiyamvumela ngoba esithi umama khona ke uthanda ke isex, so uyabetshontshela ke umkakhe. Yena wayesabizwe nganomuntu abancisa ukulungisa nxa kuvuza lama flowers akhe. Kwakungela mfana osebenza khona ngale kodwa uNdu wayehamba ngabalwane phuma ahambe khona becilula bonke belele bonke abuye kezontshela ukuthi hayi sebelalile. Do into yankhona engikhathaza kodwa ngacina ngibona ukuthi hayi ngomunye umsebenzi lo extra job for ngami wabelokhu elala la njalo. Kwesikhathi angibiza athi ngibuye ngikhona ngale kodwa umama lavela ngikhangeleni lihle ngani uyangizonda. La nxa wayengani uzingcole ngamavoro sakhe umkami kodwa ukhanya umama lo wayemthanda. angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. uNdumiso wami wadakwa wasebuya wangena endlini liyana khona ngale ngabuya ngakimi bajumeka. Ubaba lwana wasephendwa lapha ekhona basebemgamula wafa njalo uNdumiso. Lo mnyaka ke Chisa umnyaka 2007 ngesikhathi eZimbabwe kunzima kuyindlala wafa njalo ke uNdumiso uthe bengenile indaba yakhona bayivala bathathe ngotsotso eZorobha. Ubaba lwana lomkakhe bangani babiseni bandawonye yibuso kwami sengihamba ngacela sengilapha ke eGoli yimusihle. Ngiyamkhumbula uNdumiso wayezama ukuphanda kodwa ke waswaphambaniseka. Hey mama umfazi olungile njani ubaba silo ukwazi ukuthi uhambo wale uthi hayi hamba esebenza ndoda. Hey amadoda amaningi ngathola umfazi onjengawo onika ipermission ukuthi hamba baba echakho nani as long as ubuyele imali. Ay madoda hayi isihle siyakubongela ukuthi sengibhala manje ngise-South Africa. Ngicela ke ungitshele izingoma ezake zadla ubhedo ungangitholela liyana ungasakwazi ukuyichaya eMob Jive Party. Abantu khona lapha bona sidinga ngibona ngani khona ya ikhona eMob Jive Party nansi Gongo. Aha, inkhoma ke Timgongo vela mob jay party sichaleke sihle Ndlovu njani mandlo. Ye ubaba wahamba kanjalo ke wadlala ngokuganyula. Hayi phela kulomvuzo ku20 lokuphila lokuchaya usezinto zakho. Uyakwazi ukuthi ayifuna imali umkakho but hey. Afazi manje abalutshwana kakhulu. Balutshwana kakhulu ke. Yeah. Banontando. Tando uthi nguseyamancu. Lengijaye driver ngitshela ke amagonyethi chisi. Shine Kumanzi wa Zambia, DRC, Angola, South Africa, Cape Town, Zimbabwe. Kodwa ke uyakwazi njengendoda ke bengumuntu lami engisazizwa ke emzimbeni bengijothi kwesikhathi ngike ngizikhulule kakhulu ngokudobha lawa nosisi abathengisa ke imizimba yabo. Kuthengisa ke ngale eKhazungula border othi uqonda koZambia lapho. Hayi sathola ke umsisi laphana ngase ngizama ukuthi ngenze lokho engikwenzayo hayi ngayenza wayengicharge ke $10. Manje imali ngangila incane ay50 100 so ngangila change so ngithe kunjalo sengiqedile laphana lekuseni uthi sisibana ke ahamba ngazithi ngiyabuya ngilungisela nzako nika irand engilayo wala ukuthatha ke irand ngile 100 rands wala lo sisi ufuna ngama US10 so sahlala ke ngase ngithi mana ngigezi ukuthi maybe zacela kwenye ke indoda kwenye truck lapha enginike usisilwana ukuthi wangenzelani chisa inhlone enganani wakhwatsha ikhiye ye truck yekustart truck wadla bayibayi wanyamalala wamangala khathana wanxa mfuna kumele emakhemini umnike $100 hayi wabaleka kanjalo lo wasisi ke abanhleka amanye amadoda manje ukuthi ngiyafana njani umnikazi wemoto ecompany akhathazeke ukuthi ngenzeni ngangenye into nganzathi imoto isifile isikhiye siphuma njani ku-ignition ngoba ngumsindo ngazama amadodeni ukuthi bangincedise usisilwana wahlwa wanyamalala wabe sijika khatshana ukuthi siwele emanzini siyasikhima ngikufonela ikhampani simfuna uqiniseka ukuthi ikhiya ngiyiboni ngikwisini angazi ukuthi mbana ngithengisayo ngoba kwakuthola into eziqathekileyo lapho kumele ziye-deliver kwabuya ke umuntu lesikhiye esinye esuke ejozi wazofika lapha senginamalanga ngiphakile ngahle ngafika bangitshayisisa ke umsebenzini umnyaka lo tshisa sozafa ukhohlwa yikho ngalahlekelwa khona umsebenzi wami mina ngilonkosikazi labantwana kuyikubana ke ungayenelisi ukuthi ucontrole le mizwa esingikhathaza ngibuhlungu la namhlanje lo mntwana ngifisa ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngimloye njani ngimloye lo asisi ngoba ngeke ngaphenduka lo indoda ngifuna ukumzingela kodwa akangimtholanga ngicela ke unitshale enye izingoma hey madoda lapha kama truck hayi mina lo mfowethu asamamo hayi akwenza samamo lo wena samancu hayi man ungakwenza njani uthi ikhekela abafana wena ofuna ikhekela abafana nanguvusi vushange ingoma ke mnandi kuvushange hayi mndoda right akhuluma umoya uvushange asebenza kakhulu abo-blond makhelela abo-fred gwala senza same studio behlabela bebonke uvushange ingoma yesitshayele-ke umdando sekamancinci sekamancinci themba ke uphilile semancinci lapho khona lanxa waloza umsebenzi uthi kathesi-ke uyaphandaphanda lapho sazama ukuthi uphile. Alright, just a quick update ngokwenzakalayo this show until we get justice for the young Diago. We keep on pursuing the matter, we keep on chasing. One thing I want to make it clear to the people. If you check with me, like my pictures together, when we was kid, the since homecoming, and Peter Ndlovu, Ukuda Mahashi, there's no reason to hate him. Where I came in, it was the time when I had a child suffering, a child in pain, a child crying day and night, and then the mother was accused of scalding the child, Namans, Achisai. Until people called to say, no, please get the truth. This is when Marita, the mother of Diago, approached me. Mama Diago Mponela, Ekala, Etiba getting telling Sise, I'm not responsible for causing the injuries. Serious wounds, Mtana Sebolile with sepsis. Mtana vele labo sondela kwana wayinuka everywhere. Wathi mina isimi yazama ubona ngizama ufonela ngapha la uthola ukuthi baze behlanyele that idea ukuthi Marita is a bitter ex. Ngibuza ukuthi Marita, why are they saying you are a bitter ex? Yet ke ukhuda wabe wazochata lo Rose in Zimbabwe and didn't step there waiting. Suzochisa umntanakho. Wathi ngiyabe ngumama onjani emhlabeni ngachisa umntwana. Ngiyeke kuyakula lokhuda ngizochisa umntana mengimzele. This is when we took up the matter. Thorough investigations, got videos, went to immigration, Zimbabwe side, South African side, everywhere. We left no stone unturned. Until we got the videos, we got to Umtwana Pumanjani, which is no longer disputed. We got to Umtwana from South Africa, Selimele, which is no longer disputed. This is when we push the matter. We got away, Bagit, that's fine. Justice for Diago. He's a 4-year-old, very innocent, clever, intelligent boy who continues or who insists that Amapens Lawa were inflicted by the father at home in South Africa. Videos which we made public, which videos showing young Diago running the house bandaged. Also, the witness Moyo who confirms that umntwana wamreceiver vele bandaged elimele. Instructions was lingamsuka udokotela treat umntwana ngapha endlini. Umntwana uyile mhla ka-14 wahlala njalo 14 April ehleze endlini wazi ukuthi sezibona izilonda sezibhibhidla ngamandla and all that and ziyaspread umzimba wonke lokhu ihamba because uyakwazi nxa ubhibhidla laphana unless you get a proper cure isilonda sabe siluma and umntwana uyamenwaya and kuhle kuvele kube infected. So umntwana wasebiza ama-sisters athi ngcono sizona ugogo. Gogo went there athola umntwana mana kuyenza nuka kuzokuzwala ephandle. Ugogo wathi umama ke limtshele wathi abasimtshela ukuthi singamtsheli umntwana simela phela lapha ekhaya endlini. That's when ugogo wathi akwenziwa lokho wafonela ke uMarita wabuya zobona umntwana wakhe. Can you imagine a mother singumntwana wakhe ku-condition liyana? Umntwana sephomba ulalisa ikhanda amehlo setshonile about to die. Ugogo wagijima hambisa umntwana esibhedlela and umntwana wahamba esibhedlela bafaka intensive care. They dealt laye. We spoke to doctors. Our doctors bathi no life yakhe izaphila. That child was on drip intensive wonke ama-oxygen everywhere. Wahlala khona phana umntwana until came out of ICU because the way the foot has been infected ayisasizakali, so they amputated bahle bamkhata khona ba ukuthi ungagcina usidla more. yikuphuma umntwana. In the police court park, yes, they did interview almost everyone. They finally got to March, they finally got to Malaysia, they finally got the witnesses, witness, law, or confirm, they wrote a docket, and then they've been delaying, and they've been asking. Therefore, because we're not happy with the way things were conducted, I had to write a letter to the National Prosecution Authority, the chief prosecutor, or labor controller the whole, Bulawayo, wangibiza ofisini yake, after getting a reply from Harare, and then he said, what is happening? I'm telling you, no, we reported this, and this is what is happening. And then the chief prosecutor, Lapa area prosecutor, had to ask, what is happening? What has that? My opinion, yeah, this and that, Westcom. And then the matter was, they said, no, we can't open that case, we need it now. So they've taken it up. The good thing is that it is shifted from Western Commonwealth. It's now a trade court, that matter. So waiting for them, now that the child is out, we expect action from the prosecution. Because one thing, I don't want to fix Kuda. I'm not fixing Kuda. I want justice for the young boy. If it's Rose who is guilty, if it's Marita who is guilty, if it's Kuda who is guilty, if it's Malaicha, if the witnesses or the sister, the truth should come out, and the person responsible should face the consequences of causing serious psychological effect on a 4-year-old. It trauma enjana. Umntwana lwana is now disabled. Umntwana yet got a future. Why? He doesn't deserve that. Why why punish him? So I was expected to think whatever happened to the young Diago. At the moment, Diago is at home, is bubbling, is laughing, but is still asking, how do I answer that? How do you answer to it? Mntwana is at home, but still in pain, can't walk. Mama kumela mbelete, ampapula potelaye, ahambe. Today he went to get again dressed up in Juliana, which is healing. John Wonunya so good sola like this. So at the embassy, Lungsorokana, and the local was a treat. So Mutano the chicken and all that. Yeah, we was any chicken. So mother and child safe now. For now, we don't know, but we are trying to keep them safe wherever they are right now. Your prayers. Thank you so much. We'll update you. Hopefully on Monday, we'll get the way forward from the prosecution. As a Savi, Asili Lomuntu, we are just doing it justice. We are saving our communities. Taking advantage. Even when all that, it should be exposed. We don't care. But we will stand for the truth. Yeah, so there are a lot of stories we are trying to there's a lot of dirty going on. There's a story which is going to break your heart. This coming week we'll be exposing that. That will break your heart. The story which is coming from Monday will actually crack your head in your heart, and you wonder why. Why are people behaving like animals? Wait and see. That's from Monday. We'll be laying it bare, and you'll be shocked. Thank you very much. I'm not talking about the Kuda story, but I'm talking about yet another story of injustice which has been happening here. Nothando ngobunjani. Siyawubingelela ke Nothando uthi ke Jesu uhlelo ngilikhumbula la ngibusisa ngiyalukhumbula ngizama ukuthi ngisakhumbula la ngibusisa kakhulu. Mina ke ngilo ongakwami. Jisa mina ngiyathanda udlala indoda yami sibile ngithanda sesile 12 years. But into esiyenzayo ukuthi ke ubaba lo kwezocansi ufuna ke uhlala ke engumflathile sengadinwa uhlala ngumflathile nxa sisenza umsebenzi. Even lawantana lababili ngathatha isisu ngumuntu ke yeah okhothemeyo kwasithi angazi amakhomba bathi dog baniwana ngasithatha kafuna enye into okwake kuphela ukuthi engambona uyangiphendisa goba ezinto zakhe. So labantu ngazana njani. So uthekela ilanga sengimcela ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ngike ngimunye njalo uthanda lezi zinto lami ngikuzisele umsindo waqala kuphela wahle wangitshela ukuthi ngikwazela ngaphi ukuthi-ke ubaba-ke uyamunga ukuthi wana-ke kukhona embamunyayo wangitshayela khona ukuthi ngicela ukukukholisisa ngenye indlela kwaba luthuli hayi ubona ngalibani so khona manje-ke khona apho into endihluphayo ukuthi-ke umuntu lo endlini angisamuzwa, don't feel him anymore ngoba into lesimbhoyile njalo lama sakukwanisi khona ngicela-ke Tshisa lenze i-men's conference libeze obaba endlini lapha bayona yimi uNothando Ncube umqambi ibizo lakhe nguGa but sishiye kwabotwa ga khuzeka khula khuzeka umama ngifuna ukuzwisa ke izinto zimnandi kakhulu wena uthi hayi habe awuga kanti indaba lesiya ngisangani aya lobongana sasithi kazi izinto but ubongana ngcono la sezazi into eziningi lo mfana othiwa ngubongana la engani kazazi into efundiswa ngiclient kodwa ke hayi lokho kwakho ga ukuthi insuku zonke lokutshela umama goba hayi khona ngicela ke ungitshele ke ngawathola mawe makapkap how Nothando Mangu South Africa. makapkap ingoma sethi ke mawe usenzi kaMduvu oMashamplani masilela nothando ncube sitheleke wena lingoma siyaba kakhulu nothando umtshela ukuthi gakhuze ka sike sihlangane ndoda akumbhaleli lapha ngeke ngikubone Justin Zondo ngiyabingelela Justin Zondo uthi ke mina ngumuntu kobe sonta ke Sabatha ekukhuleni kwami ngikhulela ngapha ngaselwa gwelo abe kule bangena ke lapha endana othiwa kuse mission lokugwelo mase ngibona ukubana ke ayi eSabatha kayidlisi ngoba ngase ngibona ukuthi amasonto amaningi benza izimali ngibukele ama-church amakhulu lawa ke ama-Pentecostal ngagcina ke ngihamba ke emapostoleni ngibhoda ukuthi lami ngibona ukuthi ngenza njani isonto ngafunda ke kuprofesaya hawu oprofesaya Zondo hayi lami ngabona ke ama-trick akhona chisa ngaqala ukugqoka ezimhlophe hayi kukhula kwami isonto lami ngavulela imibandla ngoba into engiyifuna ukuthi ngithole imali ngithenge imoto yokodwa amatomatisi ngaqalisela ke ukukhulekela abantu bathanga amanzi nangezinye izihlahla lapha ke omama ababesithi obaba kabahluphe emacansini ngabona into engayenza kube ngichola ke amaphilisi lawo kuthiwa iVigara abona iVigara le ngangithi ngayichola ibe impuphu ibe ningi ngoba kulondodwa entshontshela kwenye ifamasi eGwere ngifake laphana emanzini ngithi ke ubaba nathi le into ayi bangibhadala ngenkomo la ngembuzi ngoba ke ubaba ke kwaze kuthiwa ke hayi ukhala uphepha khona umsebenzi iyawazi so ngoba ungela into engayenza ngabona ukuthi le sintu bazabona ukuthi ngifake yona so lo ndodo wayinceda kakhulu ngeVigara spelled as VAYIGARA Vigara abona iVigara bangazi so ngiko waso ukunceda ngibuye futhi labo mama bafakele emanzi esimaningi bathicha amadoda line emzini wami betha amanzi kamprofita uZondo kanzima siza ke kucine sokusiba le problem omnye baba ke agcine emelwa inhliziyo wansheGwere indaba yami yaphuma ke ephepheni ngadinga ke chronically ka 2013 February 6 uzabona ke indaba ibizwa isilo lebhalwe Zondo kodwa kulo baba kuthiwa ke walemaza umuntu ngoba baba ke wagcina emelwa inhliziyo hlanhla ukuthi umuntu enkosi kasahambanga wayethe unathekimi ku blood system yakhe bathola kule Vigara leyo emdala kathole isifo senhliziyo ihlanhla kafanga yimi sebhala lapha ngise South Africa ngicela ke unje ingoma hayi ulenkomo ngenxa yeVigara hayi Vigara leyo hayi siyabonga kakhulu uthe ufuna ke ingoma zabo Love uMajayivana awuyazibhala uthi wena uthi sungumabona bula abantu bafuna ukubulala ngendawo yakho kodwa isecret yakho le sungumabona bula wena nawumathini
Señor Elishaza umabona bulawe Señor Elishaza umabona bulawe Señor Elishaza mina umabona bulawe Señor Elishaza umabona bulawe mina Señor Elishaza umabona bulawe alelani nabafowethu alelelani osisi alelelani wama
lawa sichaleke John Zondo asaba mana sibamba ukugcina ke memory moyo isikhaza phela sisihloko mangoyo sibotse ibala ke yakho memory moyo nti ngabona umunye umama wayeselapha wathi ngilento mele ikhathwe ensitha encane yayingasiyo liyana ke yabo mama wathi into yakhona mele ikhathwe yanika umnyama wathi mina njengama resort angicabe ngalo muntu ongangicaba ngingacadwa kodwa wasithi uzangicaba yena wansika lowo muntu uchisa into leyo othiwa wayikhipha ukuthi yenika umnyama iproblem sengilayo mina lokho ngasikwa laphana sengile flow enzima sengingena nginxe kathathu ngenyanga iperiod sengizamile ukubuza ukuthi kade kuyini khona uyala into le singalisa indoda ithi mina ngalala lomnye ubaba bangiloya khona bangihamba kuya lokhuyana shisa sengiphelele ukuthi ngenze njani ngoba ke ngiyathi ngiqedile nginxe after 4 days ubone sengingenile futhi into le ngizwisa ubuhlungu yimi lo memory moyo into le ngiqalise ngo-2018 akukapheli lakathesi onganginceda ke ukuthi kumiswa njani kwesikhathini ngena kathathu enxe 5 days enxe 6 days kwesikhathi kube ka 3 days dala ngangena 4 days kodwa lokho ngasuka into le angikwazi ukuthi ke kuthiwa kuyini kodwa ugogo lwami sizokhishwa umnyama sengabuyela kuye wayethe kuzaphela kodwa into le kayipheli sengihluphekile lakathi ezindleni hloni ngihamba nzima ebantwini ngoba loba yisiphi isikhathi sengihamba ngithwele zonke izinto ukuthi kungangifikela anytime plus is a heavy flow heavy flow hawu bantu ngicela ke ungitsheleke ingoma ongayithola khonapho siyabonga kakhulu ke memory moyo sibonga lonke belibukele lapha ke kuzindaba zonke zomhlaba thank you very much for supporting us ngibongela ke ubonga ke ERS Hotels group of hotels Bulawayo Njiloti Northern City Center Bulawayo Khumalo Hillside yes Babs thank you very much ethi sikuthele ke ingoma lesi ivale ngayo namhlanje uprofessor Ledalo Mkhize ingoma ethi ncedani tamameza chisa kumathelela siyaphuma kanje bye bye.
Ansizele ngane, ansizintandane, awuyakhala matshenzentane. Ansizele ngane, ansizintandane, awuyakhala matshenzentane. Hosanna, 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 Hosanna,